Good morning, everyone. I am Professor Neeti Dugaya from EX Department SIRT, and today we will discuss the types of hydroelectric power plant, and we will see the biggest power plant in India, as well as we'll see the hydropower plants in Madhya Pradesh also. And the subject is electrical power generation and economy, and its subject code is EX503. So let's move to the types of hydropower plant. So on the basis of different criteria, we have classification or types of hydropower plant in the given slide. So the first criteria is availability of water flow. Second criteria is availability of water head. And third criteria is loading time, right? So on the basis of availability of water flow, we are having three types of power plant. Number one, three types of hydropower plant, right? So number one is runoff river power plant without pondage. Number two, runoff river power plant with pondage. And number three, reservoir power plant. So runoff river power plant are the power plant which are associated with the runoff water, which are dependent on the runoff river water, and they are not having any pondage in support, right? And they are not having any pondage storage. And second criteria is the runoff river power plant, which are having pondage also, right? For the sort of the lower reservoir. And third is the reservoir power plant only. They are not dependent upon the runoff river water, and they have the large amount of water as a reservoir. So third type of power plant is reservoir power plant. On the basis of availability of water head, we have three power plants, three types of power plant. Number one is low head, number two is medium head, and number three is high head. What do you understand by head? Head is the height of the dam from which the water has been, sent out to the penstock, through the penstock towards the turbine, right? So depending upon the height of dam, we have categorized it on the basis of low head, medium head, and high head, according to the height of dam. The head of water means, water head means the height of water in the dam particularly, right? And number three is according to the load type, and according to the loading type, they are basically three types of power plants which supports. Number one is base load power plant, hydroelectric power plant. Number two is peak load hydroelectric power plant. Number three is pump storage plant for peak load. So these three are the categorization. And as far as power range are concerned, this is the another classification or category you can say. On the basis of power range output, we have categorized hydropower plant again in six types. Number one is large hydro, which is having capacity more than 100 megawatt power, and medium hydro having capacity from 15 to 100 megawatt, and small hydro ranges from 1 to 15 megawatt, mini hydro from 100 kilowatt to 1 megawatt, micro hydro from 5 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt, and there are pico hydro also, which are very small in capacity, and which can generate few hundred watts to up to 5 kilowatt. Right, so these are the classification. And let's see the five biggest hydroelectric power plants in India. So then first is Tehri Hydro Power Plant, and this Tehri Hydro Power Plant is having capacity of 2400 megawatt, and this is in Uttarakhand, and it is the highest power project in country as well, and it was commissioned in 2006, and its construction was started in 1978 by the help of technical collaborations from USSR, that is United States of Soviet Rus, and it is located on the confluence of the Bhagirathi and the Telangana rivers near the city of Tehri. And this dam is a multi-purpose rock and earth fill embankment dam, and its height is around 260.5 meters, which is the tallest in India also, tallest one, right? And number two is Koyna Hydroelectric Power Project, having capacity of 1960 megawatt. It is located near Patan, Maharashtra in Satara district, and it is close to Koyna river. That is why it is named as Koyna Hydroelectric Power Project, and it is operated by Maharashtra Gen Corporation and Maharashtra State Power Generation, and it has 4 dams constructed across the Koyna river itself, and the dam is located in the Western Ghat mountain region, and right in the its construction is somewhat old. Its construction has begun in 1954 as well, and as I have told you that it is having 4 dams, so it has been developed in 4 stages in last 5-6 decades. So number 3 is Sri Salem Dam, and it is having capacity of 1670 megawatt, and Sri Salem is based in Andhra Pradesh, and it is operated by Andhra Pradesh Gen Corporation, and it is located on Krishna River in Nallamala Hills near Sri Shailam Temple, which is fall under the district of Kunur and Mahabubnagar, right? So these are situated on the almost on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And the construction of this dam began in 1916, and it has taken around 2 decades for completion, and has been completed in 1981 and has been functional till now. Its length of dam is 512 meters and height is 145 meters. It is having 12 radial press gates, and it is considered to be the third largest hydropower plant, right? And its reservoir is measuring 616 square kilometers. Then fourth came Nathapa Jhatri Dam, having capacity of around 1530 megawatt. It is in Himachal Pradesh range, and it is a concrete gravity dam which is having 185 meter. It is 185 meter long and 67 meter height is there. And it is constructed across the Satluj River in Kinnoor district, Nandpa village, right? And it is owned and operated by Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam, that is SJVN, and dam is powered by 250 megawatt Francis type turbine. It is started in 1993 and dam has been constructed in 2004, and since then it is functional, right? So it is having the largest and longest head raised tunnel, okay? And largest and deepest surge. And fifth is Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is having the capacity of 1450 megawatt. It is fifth in place in the country as far as largest hydroelectric power plant is concerned, and it is very popular and it is very known, and it is operated by Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam, right? And it is a complete gravity dam. It is located on the Narmada River near Navagam in the state of Gujarat. So this was all about the biggest power plants in India as well as classification of them. In next class, we'll move forward. Thank you.